What is up, everybody? This is Brandon back on Motor Nubs. I got Peyton over there in the distance, but I just drove my Integra over to my parents, and we were gonna take the Integras for a little cruising. But I noticed when I got here, I don't know, I was about 5 minutes away, and all of a sudden it started overheating, and there's like coolant all over the block. It's still like super hot. Let me see. You're not supposed to open this when it's hot, but I don't think there's any coolant in it. No, I think I've developed a coolant leak. So, do you have some water? Let's actually, we'll just fill it up with a spigot. We're gonna fill this thing up with water and see where it's leaking.
We got Brandon adding some oil to the radiator real quick.
I'm using it as a water jet. No, it's not oil.
But
people believe that if you say it.
Yeah, nah, he's on being serious. Nah, is it leaking?
Hold on, I gotta start it up.
This thing's probably leaking like the Titanic. Yeah, it's leaking like the Titanic right now. Alright, we'll come back to you when Brandon actually starts this thing up. Alright, we found the problem.
Alright, see this line right here? I had it blocked off with like a bolt in it, but it's actually comes from on the side of the head. I don't know what this is originally supposed to go into. Do you know?
I have no idea.
But anyway, it's peeing out. Oh, that's antifreeze. Okay, so we need to get a bolt, shove that back in there, and then put a clamp on it. I didn't know what that was. I just always left it dangling. It comes right underneath this heater hose line right there. I wonder what that is. Anyway, comment section, please tell us what that is. But yeah, I almost blew up my motor because of that. Because like it overheated a little bit.
Third motor. Yeah,
I already checked the oil, and we're not mixing. There's no coolant in there, but it did get hot. Like, she pegged the H. So I cut it off and let it coast. But oh, it's split right here. Look, see?
And
then let the bolt go. So maybe I should cut that back, put a new bolt in it, and then clamp it on.
This sounds good.
All right, cutter. All right, so shoved a bolt in there. Let's see if it's gonna leak. Yeah. Okay, well, we're about to leave. Original plan was we were going to drive both our cars, but since mine got so hot, I'm going to let this thing cool off for a little bit more and hope that the head gasket didn't blow. And yeah, so we're going to go for a ride in Peyton's car and see if we can find some people or something. But I'm just excited that I found my leak. So here's Peyton.
You ready? How much battery we got on this thing? Woo, we ain't got much battery. All right, we're gonna have to save the battery, so we'll give y'all an update down the road.
All right, we out here in Mexico hunting, trying to get some races in. Peyton's driver mod today. We're in the GSR Integra, turboed, 6 PSI, 270 horsepower, stout.
Got the AC on blast.
We got our eyes on a Mini Cooper up there. Can we get them to race? I doubt it.
Probably not. We gotta catch.
All right, we'll be back when we catch somebody. We gotta catch a race first. All right, we're gonna get a pull in real quick.
All right, we switched seats. Brandon's gonna drive it. I want to see what it's like in the passenger seat. different from driver's seat to passenger.
It is?
Yes.
I got a second up there.
When you get done, go into fifth, and you'll feel it. There's a little bit of a straightaway around this.
Oh, your brakes are heated up. They're done. Your brakes are faded.
Yeah. I got
fade out that easy?
Yes.
Wow, you need new brakes.
Yeah, I've needed them.
Oh, mine are so much better than that.
My brakes are toast.
Alright, so now that we're back, man, I really need to get me a new fender. I need a new bumper. Get this thing repainted. I can't decide if I want to go with the black or if I want to go with the red or just get it redone in the two-tone. But I kind of like the two-tone. It fits the car. But anyway, Peyton needs brakes. His car is bad. I didn't realize how bad it was till I actually drove it. So I told him we got to get some brakes. I looked. He doesn't have the stainless steel brake lines in the front or the back. And that makes a huge difference. I don't know. So that's what it's looking like. So thank you for watching, guys. This is Brandon with Motor Nubs, and we will see you on the next one. Let's go cruise. Let's go cruise in my car.